Is your 2014 Kia Optima key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot. The most common causes are a dead battery, loss of programming, or antenna problems. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery inside the fob. This solves about 80% of issues. To do this, carefully pry open the fob with a small screwdriver, swap the battery, and snap it back together. If that doesn't work, the fob might need reprogramming. First, try manually reprogramming the key fob by cycling the ignition key by inserting it and removing it 10 times. Next, press the lock or unlock button on the key fob in sequence. If this fails, a dealer can reprogram it remotely using the OBD2 port. Lastly, the car's antenna, responsible for receiving the fob's signal, might be faulty. Ensure the fob is within 10 to 20 feet of the car and free from obstructions. If these steps do not work, there may be corrosion of the antenna. This must be replaced by a certified technician. If basic fixes don't work, check for relevant recalls on the NHTSA website using your VIN, as a faulty BCM could be the cause. A malfunctioning BCM can cause the car to not respond to the key fob, leading to safety issues and maintenance costs. Be aware of potential antenna issues if you live in a coastal, humid environment, which can weaken signals. Looking ahead, Kia Connect allows for remote fob reprogramming via Bluetooth, integrating with smartphone apps. Consider predictive maintenance apps like CarShield that monitor your car's systems and predict key fob failure. RF signals are vulnerable to relay attacks, where thieves use devices to intercept and relay signals. To protect against this, Kia is adopting encrypted key fobs using asymmetric encryption. Newer key fobs will feature biometric integration, such as fingerprint sensors, for enhanced security.